In this video, I will be solving the front 3 problem of the warm-up 1 section. One minor update: from this video onwards, I will start recording after having implemented the failing test cases, so that we can directly start discussing about the core logic of the problem at the hand. Okay, so here comes the 5-second break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. All right, so I have already implemented the failing test cases. Now we need to discuss its logic. So in this problem, in the front 3 method, a string str will be passed. From that string str, we need to extract the front, which is nothing but the first 3 chars of that string. And then we need to make 3 copies of that front and return back that resultant string. In case the string that is passed is having length less than 3, in that case we will consider front whatever as the whatever string is there. So let me copy paste the line based on which we will be, actually we can copy it entirely, implementing the logic. Okay, so here 2 cases are possible. One is we are having a string str whose length is less than 3 or equal to 3, less than equal to 3. Possible cases: length is less than equal to 3, or second case is length is greater than 3. If the length of str is less than or equal to 3, so in that case we can simply return back that string, or we can simply consider the front part as the string only. So to give you an idea, if we are having string as AB, front is defined as the first 3 characters of the string, but here we are not having 3 characters, we are having 2 characters. So front would be entire string only, str only. So in this case the answer would be AB 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 repeated 3 times, AB AB. If it's A, then it will be A, and if it's empty string, then again it would be empty string. I hope you are getting the point. But in case the string is actually having length greater than 3, such as Java, so here we will need to extract out its first 3 characters and then make its 3 copies and return back the resultant string. So how can we extract out the first 3 characters from this? It's quite simple. We can make use of the substring method. We need to extract out the first 3 characters. So we will need to write till 3, from 0 to 3. So if I write str, let me comment out this. If I write str dot substring of 0 to 3, it will be Jav. And if I print out this, let's verify. Yes. So now based on our discussion, we can write the code. First of all, let's define a string front and extract it out. Front will be the string only if it's less than or equal to 3, length is less than or equal to 3. So str dot length is less than equal to 3. If this is the case, then front is equal to str only, else front would be str dot substring 0 to 3. Now we have got the front, we can just return front, 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 concatenate it 3 times and return it back. Now let's see, our test case should pass now. Yes, indeed they are passing. Let me submit this code on the portal. Working fine. Now let me upload this code to GitHub. So here I need to replace front back with front 3. Front back, front 3. Replace, add, and front back with front 3. Change the commit message. Yes. Okay, front 3 added. One commit to make. Yes. Git push. And verify the code has been uploaded here. Okay, done.